Friday, July 4th, 2025. Saint Elizabeth of Portugal. Focus. Go to my country and to my kindred and take a wife for my son Isaac. Abraham did not want a wife for his son Isaac from the daughters of the Canaanites. He knew that if Isaac married a woman out of his faith, there was every chance that he would worship the foreign gods and idols that his wife worshipped, and their children would do the same, thereby abandoning God and falling into sin. Abraham's love for his God was so great that he did not want anything to estrangle his family or even future generations from the Lord. That is why he instructed his servant to select a wife for Isaac from among his own kindred. Fast forward to today. Is God a priority at the time of marriage, encouraging us to choose a partner from our faith? Or do we blindly fall for someone just because he or she is attractive, irrespective of their religious persuasion? Mixed marriages are certainly not wrong. Indeed, many such marriages are exemplary. But marrying outside the faith does come with the risk that the partners will be unable to worship as a family. Its spouse may practice their faith separately or not at all. The children may also be confused and unlikely to follow the faith with conviction. Ultimately, God could be relegated to the backseat in that family. Fruit, in selecting a marriage partner, let faith be the chief factor.